Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. CEO of Crypto Finance just surpassed all current Shiba Inu whale SHIBs in size. At the time of publication, the total market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies was $837.59 billion, up 1.97% over the previous day. The two most well-known meme tokens, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, are examined by the cryptocurrency market tracking website CoinMarketCap. Over the past 24 hours, both tokens' prices have increased. We shall talk about Bynum in this video. The biggest Shiba Inu whale in today's Shiba Inu news is now CEO. If you want to see our most recent articles on Shiba Inu's pricing forecasts and analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the movie, which is the 9th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, without further ado. With a daily increase of 1.24%, Doge has outpaced SHIB, pushing its price to $0.82. Additionally, DOJ's price has gained 0% against the price of Bitcoin, BTC, and lost 2.1% against the price of Ethereum, ETH. Over the past 24 hours, the SHIB price has increased by 0.26%. In comparison to the two cryptocurrency market leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum, this raises its price to $0.904. SHIB's price has decreased by 0 points, or 85% and 3.10, respectively, against both. As a result of several interest rate increases and the failure of several cryptocurrency firms, including Celsius, Terra Luna, and FTX, this year has been horrible for both the cryptocurrency markets and the conventional financial markets. As a result, 2023 enables investors to modify their portfolios and buy cryptocurrencies at a lower cost. SHIB and Doge may do better in 2023 for Doge than for SHIB. The reason for this is because Elon Musk, also known as the Doge Father, has ties to the operations of Doge. In the upcoming months, Doge's price will probably increase as a result of Musk's recent purchase of Twitter. The organization tasked with seizing the assets of the defunct cryptocurrency exchange, SHIM, may have a low price for the meme token in 2023 due to SHIM's limited utility. FTX Trading reported that it had so far recovered $740 million of assets, a small portion of the conceivably lost billions of dollars from FTX's coffers. BitGo, a cryptocurrency custody provider, revealed the sum in court documents on Wednesday. Hours after the business filed for bankruptcy earlier this month, FTX hired BitGo. Many of FTX's customers are most concerned about whether they would ever see the money they invested on the site again. Experts told CBS Money Watch that many customers might never receive their money back and that they would probably have to wait years to do so. Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder and former CEO of FTX, and his associates lost the company by using customer funds to place wagers on Bankman-Fried's trading company, Alameda Research. The number of $740 million is from November 16th, and since then, more assets have been steadily recovered. The crypto community was shocked by FTX's bankruptcy as it watched one of the biggest exchanges collapse in just over a week. In the US, Bankman-Fried and the corporation are under investigation. Additionally, for potential securities offenses abroad. Days after FTX filed for bankruptcy in the US, securities officials in the Bahamas, where FTX is headquartered, confiscated some of the company's assets. When Bankman-Fried informed a group of investors that the company needed around $8 billion to back up its consumers' crypto assets, problems with FTX became apparent earlier this month. When users withdrew almost $5 billion in a single day earlier this month, the firm witnessed the cryptocurrency equivalent of a bank run. Banker Fried tweeted on Wednesday that he will be speaking at a New York Times event on November 30th amid growing worries over FTX's stability. The funds BitGo was able to retrieve are currently secured in South Dakota's cold storage, which entails that the cryptocurrency is kept on drives disconnected from the internet. Known as Competent Custodian Services, BitGo offers these. In accordance with South Dakota state law, the assets collected also include a number of lesser-known cryptocurrencies with varying levels of popularity, like the Shiba Inu coin. BitCo, situated in California, has a track record of reclaiming and protecting assets. After the 2014 collapse of the Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox, they were tasked with protecting assets. The corporation is also in charge of looking after the government of El Salvador's assets. Elon Musk has been contacted by Twitter and the ShareBurn Twitter account, which tracks ShareBurn transactions on other websites and shares them on its own website, in order to address a significant problem with the growth of content theft and stop copycats from profiting on the new Twitter that Musk is currently building. ShareBurn made this request as Musk once more declared that Twitter's text and video content creators would soon receive greater recompense for their work. ShareBurn informed Musk and the entire Twitter community that dozens of users had been using ShareBurn transactions to steal information and pass it off as their own. The SHIB-focused account feels that accounts that are imitations of them and other accounts shouldn't be permitted to profit from the labor of others. Awesome. How should plagiarism be handled in this instance? Numerous imitation accounts have plagiarized and ruined our work, as witnessed by us. If they are able to make money off of the work of others, it might not be a smart idea. At ShareBurn November 22, 2022 on Wednesday, Shiba Inu experienced an intraday 8% increase to trade at 90 cents. The increase represented a minor uptick in cryptocurrency sentiment. The majority of cryptocurrencies were trading in the green, with Bitcoin and Ethereum each seeing 5% and 7% gains. However, the Shiba Inu network has seen a few noteworthy advances. Positive cryptocurrency news was announced by Shiba Inu principal developer Satoshi Kusama on November 22. Shiba Inu has been invited to collaborate with the World Economic Forum on global policy, according to a tweet by Kusama. Given that Shiba Inu has previously entered the area, this could indicate one that is metaverse-related. The message asked the Shiba community for opinions on whether cryptocurrency should cooperate with the international organization. Onboarding was overwhelmingly favored by respondents, 65% of them. Shiba Inu is encouraged by the WEF as it attempts to create a useful application for its meme-branded coin. Undoubtedly a long-term development, we must wait to see how it plays out. The largest whales in Ethereum are now holding less than $70 million worth of SHIB. However, 6,000 more people now own SHIB tokens than previously. SHIB is now in a bearish trend. The MACD indicator on the daily chart displays bear momentum, however the weakness has slightly abated. Each time he has neared this level, SHIB has experienced a near-sold RSI rating of 35 and is now recovering from it. Since June, the token has recouped or stabilized. Although sellers are still numerous, the current RSI reading of 41 is below the midway. The SHIB price will benefit from a recovery in the vicinity of the oversold area. The trend is still bearish, though, and SHIB is susceptible to long-term increases. SHIB needs to go beyond a slight obstacle at the $0.0009 trading level. The $0.0001 and $0.00012 levels will remain in view if the market recovers above this level. If SHIB fails, the anticipated support on the downside will be at the potential recovery level of $0.0007. Musk is well known for his Bitcoin investments, and he has a devoted fan base that copies his moves, makes the same investments, and follows his guidance. He is renowned for his passion of the memecoin industry and has provided numerous free endorsements for the memecoin based on dogs. In 2020, Dogecoin Shiba Inu was produced. It was motivated by the popularity of Deutsche currency and designed its currency to resemble the Shiba Inu dog. The currency is currently the second most often used meme coin available. Unlike Shiba Inu's original money, Deutsche Coin, SHIB is based on the Ethereum blockchain, providing it with additional security measures. Shiba Inu could be the next memecoin to be accepted as payment for Twitter, given that it is the second most well-known memecoin after Deutsche Coin. Memecoins are a favorite of Elon Musk. Given all the modifications, it is likely that Musk will make Shiba Inu and Deutsche Coin usable platform currencies. This might then create opportunities for other meme coins. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.